These are the LOFTER LED under cabinet light strips. In this video, I will show you how to install them and how they look after they're installed. Out of the box, you get the 4 LED light panels. You also get all the hardware to install the light panels. This includes magnetic strips that have double-sided sticky tape on it that you can just attach directly, or there's screws and clips available if you want to screw it into the cabinet. Before installing, I recommend that you go ahead and you plug everything in just to make sure that everything works. Once you've verified that everything works, you can prep the cabinet area by using some rubbing alcohol and cleaning everything down really well. If you're going to use the magnets like I did, then you can just simply figure out where you want to place the lights and just attach it directly to the cabinet itself. Finally, after installing all the lights, you can use the clips provided just to tidy up the cords a little bit. I had no issues installing these light strips. I think they look very nice under the cabinets, and it's nice to have that extra little bit of light in the kitchen. If you're interested in LED light strips like this, I will go ahead and post a link below for the Amazon page for these lights.